Okay, so good day again, everyone. So again, this is Miss Jazz, but for now, it's for our arts subject. Okay, so let me repeat again. Okay, so good day, and we're going to have now our third and last lesson for the second quarter in arts subject. Okay, and the title of our lesson for today is still focused on the East Asian countries. Okay, so the title of our lesson is East Asian Crafts and Paper Sculpture. Okay, so it's sculpture. Sorry, it's letter TURE. Sorry for the typo. Okay, so again, this is Miss Jazz. Okay, your arts subject teacher. Okay, so are you ready? I hope that you're ready. Okay, so first, let's go over with the first country of East Asia, which is China. Okay, what is with China when it comes on the paper sculpture? Okay, as you can see on the picture, okay, there's a nugget-like picture there, right? Okay, so that is one part of a Chinese paper crafts, okay, and that is what they called the Yuan Bao. Okay, Yuan Bao. Okay, it is a folded paper that looks like nugget, as what I've said a while ago, and is burned during Chinese funerals. Okay, so it's part of their tradition. Okay, because for them, okay, this Chinese paper crafts, okay, which is many Chinese have used as an arts and crafts, and it is as and use paper as their medium believes that there is something, okay, on these paper caps. Okay, that is why they included it on their Chinese funerals, and not just on their Chinese funerals, okay, but also on the other religious rites. Okay, okay, so let me repeat again. That is, can you say Yuan Bao? Okay, very good. Okay, now we also have the Chinese paper cuttings. Okay, I think you are seeing this around. Okay, I think you have seen some of these things around. So it is commonly symmetrical and use red paper. Again, let me repeat that it is symmetrical and use red paper. Don't forget that. Okay, it is used in all kinds of celebration, just like wedding or moving into a new house. Okay, and Chinese believe that the hanging of these paper cutouts and other decorative paper cuttings of various representation like pagodas will attract good luck and drive away evil spirits. So that is their belief. Okay, just like what I said a while ago, they don't just use some of their paper arts and crafts on their Chinese funerals, okay, but also on different occasions like weddings, to drive away evil spirits and many more. Okay, so it is usually red. And as you can see on this picture, that is it. Okay. So I know that you have seen that before, maybe in Binondo, on some Tikoy or some Chinese products. Okay. Or some Chinese houses and places. So that is Chinese paper cuttings. Okay. Now, okay, they also have their famous Chinese kites. Okay, so what are these Chinese kites? It is first created in Weifang Shandong. Okay, again, Weifang Shandong. Can you say that? Weifang Shandong. Okay, which is also known as the China's capital city of kites. Okay, don't forget that. That it is first created, the kites are first created in Weifang Shandong, and it is known as the China's capital city of kites. It is during Song Dynasty and Ming Dynasty. Okay. Next, in 1984, they started the largest international kite festival in the world. Okay, we also have our kite festival here in Philippines. I think it's in Pampanga. I'm not that sure, but um, as we also go along with our arts and our discussion before in arts, we know that Chinese have different kinds of kites, right? If you still remember that. So again, the largest international kite festival started in the world in 1984. Okay, don't forget that. So these are the different or the four common categories of Chinese kites. Okay, so first they have this centipede. Why centipede? As you can see on the picture, okay, it is like a centipede because it has so many what do you call this, legs or arms like that. Legs, I mean. Okay, the dragon has so many legs. That's why it is called centipede. The second is the hard-winged kites. When we say hard-winged kites, the wings of the kites are created hard. Okay. And number three, flat kites. It's just a simple kite, flatted kites, okay, without wings. Then the number four is soft wing kites, okay. So on this part, the wings created are soft. Okay, again. So what are the four categories of Chinese kites? First, we have centipede. Second, hard wing kites. Third, flat kites. And fourth, soft wing kites. Okay, don't forget that. Now, since we're done with China, we'll now go over with Japan. Okay. So what's with Japan? Okay, so in Japan, we'll just focus on what they have here. A paper sculpture which is very famous. Okay, and they called it origami. Can you say origami? Okay, very good. Japanese origami. So the term origami originates from the words ori, which means folding, and kami, which is paper. That is why origami, folding paper. Okay? Also, it is part of Japanese traditions since 17th century, and it became popular in the mid 1900s. So don't forget that. And their usual theme are the flowers and animals like butterflies, fish, birds, and the like are common models used in origami. Okay, so it's really an enjoyable arts and crafts for people's culture. Okay, especially if you can already master doing the different themes of Japanese origami like flowers and animals, butterflies, and many more. Okay, so paper crane. So one of their paper sculpture also a paper crane, which is one of the most popular origami figures. Okay. All right. So these are the origami basic techniques. Okay, those are the different kinds of foldings. You have it also on your module notes. Okay. So if you have time, please try to practice at home folding or doing those kinds of folding. Okay, and you will create something that you didn't expected that you can create. Okay. Those are the basic techniques. So we also have here basic bases. Okay. Okay, so those are the basic folds. Okay, so these are the basic folds that we can also do during our practice on origami or Japanese origami. Okay, it is also under notes. Okay, so those are the things about our lesson today. Do you have questions? Okay, if you have questions, again, let me repeat. Please give Miss Jazz or your advisor a private message for your questions so we can clarify it. Okay, so let us proceed. If you don't have questions, you can review using this video. Get your whiteboard and marker or maybe a paper or just in your mind. Okay, you need to read carefully or maybe you can ask for your guardian to read it for you and write your answer or get the letter of the correct answer. Okay, so those are the questions. There's an answer. Number two, you can pause the video, okay, if you want. Number three. Number four. Number five. Number six. Number seven. Number eight. And this is for the other numbers. You need to identify the following. Write T for techniques for origami and B basis of basic origami and the space provided for each number or on your paper. Okay. We also have answers here already. Techniques, basis. So that's it, okay? And please also answer your module activity, page 49 to 50, review activity number one. So if you have lots of time, you can answer it more than 5 to 10 minutes, okay? And reminder, just a reminder, just like for your other subjects, please don't forget to answer some of your module activities that will be given for your asynchronous class. Okay, so I think it's time for me to say goodbye. And I know that that will be the last lesson for second quarter, but expect that we will have our synchronous PETA, major PETA making for arts. Okay? So again, goodbye, mabuhay, and blessed be God forever. Bye! See you again next meeting. Bye!